today I've chosen a yard that is a little bit of a challenge. It's going to take me all day by myself, so I think it's time to call in the big guns. Come on boys, we've got the boys here from Fox Mowing. They're going to help me get through this job. What a job. G'day kids, Ozzie here. Now just before we get stuck into today's episode, if you haven't seen it already, our merchandise is now live on our website, aussieforkids.com, where you can get all of your favourite Aussie items like the Aussie hat, made especially for kids' heads, or the mini replica Aussie tee. How cool is that? All for our mini Aussie fans. And if you love Aussie that much, you can even get 3 things in a combo: a hat, a shirt, and a sweatband, all on our website. But one of my favourite items is this one, the Aussie socks, with this little touch here. Stay keen, kids, as always. Available right now on our website, aussieforkids.com. In the meantime, kids, enjoy this episode and stay keen.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie.
G'day kids, it's Ozzie here, and we have got an exciting episode for you today. We're back doing what I love the most, and that's mowing some lawns, creating some awesome videos for you kids, which I know you love. And as you can see, I've chosen a front yard where the grass has gone a little bit out of control. It's no longer the little short grass. We've now got grass that's grown right up into big, tall weeds, some of them taller than Ozzie himself. So kids, luckily our mates at Husqvarna have provided us with some gear. We've got a lawnmower here, we've got a whipper snipper and a blower which we'll use, and we've also got some safety gear. So we've got our gloves, our safety glasses, and our earmuffs. I'm gonna pop those on, we're gonna get started. Let's have some fun. Tell you what, it's a good lawnmower, but at this pace, it's going to take me all day by myself. So I think it's time to call in the big guns. Come on boys, we've got the boys here from Fox Mowing. They're going to help me get through this job. Boy, how good is this? With the help of these guys, 1, 2, 3, we'll be done in this job in no time. so we can get right in up close to the edge there and clean it right up. How good's the light on? Job done, just like that. Big boy to get in there and just finish off that final shave down, right down to its lowest point and get that grass looking schmick. How good is this coming along? Well, here's another one. Where's the third one gone? Where's my third mate from Fox? He's in the jungle. So you can see there, guys, we've been here for, I don't know, 45 minutes to an hour. I started out with a little push mower, great little mower, but it was going to take all day by myself. So according to the boys from Fox Mowing, they came in with their whippersnippers, dropped everything down, and the ride-on mower, how good's the ride-on mower? Just came in, chomp, 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 and just dropped that grass from up here all the way down to the ground. I tidy things up with the push mower, the whippersnipper, bit of hand grunt work to pull out those massive weeds that were taller than Ozzie. And the result, we're almost there. What a difference it's made. How good is that ride on? You can get into the really tight areas, turns really tight, check it out. Goes in reverse. And I tell you what, without that, this would have taken hours and hours and hours. So how good's the ride on? Comes Leo to finish everything off on his awesome ride-on mower. Woo! Oh, one more! Unreal! How good is the result? We can actually see a front yard now, and look at that grass. It's actually grass, it's not weeds anymore. Hopefully the owner can use his mower to keep this nice and short and keep the front of this house looking schmick. Yes, boys! How good's that? So there you go, kids. We've been here for, what do you reckon, fellas? Just over an hour? 4 people, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lots of different pieces of equipment, especially this bad boy. This certainly made a big difference. I want to thank you boys from Fox Mowing today for making my life and my job so much easier. Thanks, fellas.
No problem, Ozzie. Thank you for having us. Happy to help.
Thank you. And if you need your lawn mowed at home, make sure you check out Fox Mowing. Kids, hope you've loved this episode today. We'll see you on a brand new episode this Sunday. Until then, stay keen. We're just going to pack this up and move on to the next job. You! If you haven't already, make sure you get a grown-up to help you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new and exciting videos that we put out. Speaking of new and exciting, if there's a video that you'd love to see Ozzie do, make sure you send us a message on our socials, on Facebook or Instagram at Ozzie for Kids. We'll see you again soon, kids. And until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Ozzie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of